Hey guys, Joshua JTech again. I'm going to go over how to do a simple DTC scan on this 2011 Ford Fusion. So today we're going to use the MaxiSys, which is a scan tool. I already have it plugged in with the Wi-Fi box, OBD2 scanner or reader, and the key is in the ignition on the on position. So when you first start this scanner up, it's going to ask you to either enter the vehicle information or do an automatic selection. We'll do auto, and it'll auto discover the vehicles, so that way you don't have to go through and you make sure it's got all the right information. So once it scans, it's going to give you the VIN. You're going to hit OK. And it's going to ask you to verify the information. You're just going to make sure all the information is correct. Factory install nav, no. Hit no there. So now it's going to load up all the system information. Alright, so once it's loaded up, it's going to come to this screen. And you can see there's tons of little things you can do here, but we're going to go into diagnosis, and then it's going to give you an option for an auto scan or control unit, which is going to allow you to pick what gets scanned. But we're going to start with an auto scan, and you're basically just going to watch what this does. It's going to go through all the different systems. As you can see, it's already got a couple that have faults. Fault 1, 2, 3. So you're just going to let it go through the whole pass or fail here. And, once it's done, I'll show you how to get those DTCs and kind of determine what they might go to, how to erase them. So 100%, it's showing you all the pass or fail. You can either hit OK, or you can look at a report, or do a quick erase, which is just going to erase everything. So for right now, we're going to do a quick erase. And what it's doing, it's actually going through, it's erasing the code, and then it's rereading to see if it's going to still have that fault. So it looks like that is done. There was still two. The PCM and the ABS system still showed a fault. We're going to hit OK on that. So now we know that there's potential problem with the ABS system and the PCM as well. So next what you can do is you can go into active tests. And this is going to allow you to test different components within the ECU itself. For example, what shows up first is blower motor speed, and AC recirculating servo, left blend door. So these are all different AC components that you can actually turn on and off with this here. So if we just hit blower motor speed, hit OK, and then you can go to blower motor speed there. OK. It's going to bring you up here. It's currently at 0%. If I up it, now the blower motor's at 100%. Can't really hear it right now, but in the car it is, the blower motor is on. So we'll take that back down. Okay. Test there. Just do left front dump. ABS. Okay. Left front dump off. Turn it on. ABS system's inactive currently, but we already knew that because we had a fault with it. So Yeah, you can go through here and just pick, do the auto scan. You can erase with the tool, rescan it to make sure there is an actual fault that's still there. And then if you do have a problem like we had with ABS or whatever, you can go into the actual ABS unit itself and figure out exactly what's wrong with it. You can also do things like lock the doors, roll the windows up and down, honk the horn. You can do all that with this tool. So it's a pretty neat little system. And that's pretty much how you use one of these Maxi Systs.